Hello, everyone, and I just wanted to share some news with you. Things that I've been up to in September and things that are going on in October at the Serendipity Experience. So, for anybody who's seen this new, my name's Amanda O'Shea, the Loving Life Coach, and yeah, there's been lots going on. I really want to connect more with you guys. So, anyone who's reading this because you signed up to the newsletter or you're on my YouTube channel, I'm really interested to know whether you'd like to have a little bit more interaction. Like, would you like to hear more from me? Would you like to hear from me once a week? If so, please let me know. And I'm thinking about setting up like a little serendipity membership. So we could do more things like meet every week, and I could give you things to watch and read. So I want to know if you are interested in being more engaged with me. So just tell you what's been going on then. September was really busy for me. Had an amazing couple of days at the recovery conference that I was meant to speak at in America, but we put it online. That was really cool, and I'll be talking about that and showing some of the clips of that actually in our new membership circle for anybody who signs up. Also, I have been carrying on with the level 2 iheart training, and this is the iheart poster behind me that you'll see. So you'll see a lot of that. Really excited that we've going into the local international school, have your international college, and starting a pilot there tomorrow, Friday the 2nd of October, with 30 children in year 6. So that's really cool. So we really happy about that. That was something we were meant to do in March, and then all the schools got closed down. So that's cool. I am still working with people online internationally. So if you're wherever you are in the world, that's possible that we can work together. And local people, even actually, a local client who still prefers to work online, but I am working from home, and it's lovely to be at home all day with the dogs and everything. I'm really enjoying that. So that's all tickety boo. If you have any subjects that you'd like me to talk about on upcoming webinars or anything like that, please do let me know. There's a webinar tonight. It's Thursday, day 1st of October. That is called Living Well Despite a Changing and Uncertain World. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm invited as a guest onto Denise Holland's Living Well series, and I'll be with Stephen Desborough. So we've done a lot of stuff together before. There's going to be links below for everything. So if you're interested in joining that, you can watch it as a Facebook Live on Denise Holland's page. And anybody who wants to, who would like to do a watch party on Facebook, that would be really appreciated. So there's the things that are going on. This Sunday, I've got a Let Love Lead virtual retreat. We're going to have 3 amazing hours online with Samantha Hurst. So sign up again if that's something you fancy. If you can't do this Sunday, but you'd like to do a kind of virtual online retreat, then let me know which days you can do. My dog Cookie is drinking her water. I think you could hear that. What else is happening? Yeah, I've got workshops happening. Sort of end of October after half term and through November. One is called Why Me, another one is called Recovery from the Heart, and another one is Parenting with Love and Understanding. So if any of those titles speak to you, then let me know, and I'll make sure that I send out to you. I'm hoping to do a retreat in Liverpool next year, so that's I've got plans for that. I may do another one as well in the UK, and Casa Serendipity is open for mini retreats, sort of for what I'm calling well-being weekends, or personal one-to-ones, or up to 3 people. But I like working with that kind of one-to-one. So spread the word if you know anybody who wants to get away for a few days, do a digital detox, come and do some work with me out here. I'm back singing with my gospel choir, so that's really cool. We had our first proper sort of choir yesterday, and I really miss singing. So gosh, I've noticed that. Miss singing, miss dancing. So the After Supper Club for single people will be happening just once a month at the moment. So it's going to be in October, and maybe over the winter if more people are interested. Again, look at the link below and go and check out on the my website, the page there. And if you've got any single friends and you would like to nominate them, then please do. And if you are single yourself, then you can, I'm going to invite you in. If you're listening to this, have a chat with me first and see if it's right for you. So loads more happening. I'll be in touch soon, and I just want to say hello, and I'd love to hear from you guys and what you've all been up to in September and what your plans are for October. Okay, lots of love. Speak soon. Bye. Hope to see you on one of the gigs or one of the workshops or one of the webinars soon. Mwah, big kiss from sunny Spain. Bye.